What's the name of this watch?
Good question.
Tactix. So this is unboxing of Garmin 7 series Tactix Pro Ballistic. So let's see. I have no idea is it charged or not, so we might well, so here you don't care, we'll just split the video, charge the phone, charge the watch and do the rest of it. And that's the first unboxing in my life that is being recorded, and my wife is sitting next to me laughing, so at least it will be friendly. So this is the box. When it will be opened, the unboxing is done. Too dry?
A little bit.
Okay. So let's open it that way. Let's hope the focus is on the proper part. So that's the thing, which we discard. Yes, Eva is laughing.
Oh, Eva is crying.
Okay, so here it is, the box. There are some documents here which we don't care. So actually that's all that is being sent to me. And how long have we been waiting for this?
2 weeks, more or less.
2 weeks or 3, something like this. So it's not big. It's pretty heavy, and it looks really nice. If you look at it, you can see that. Yeah, open it. Yes. So let's open it. Okay.
Dun, dun, dun.
Right. So here it is. You can see it as well. I need to turn it to the side so she will see it as well. It's not like I'm trying to show you the side of the box. Okay, so there is this foil on it. This is not a real thing. Okay, and it comes with this nice nylon band. Yeah, it's heavy. You can check it out.
Quite big.
Yeah, it is quite big. If you look at the comparison to the wrist, it's like when we were kids and we were thinking about the futuristic watches. That's the size of them. So, but it's looking very nice. It has this way of no. This is for unplugging it. So how do I do that? Do I need to put force into it? I'm not sure. So there are sensors on the bottom. Focusing failed. Yes. What else? Let's see the rest of the stuff which is inside first. Yeah, it's like suspension. Or I need to build suspense first. So there is another band in the inside, which is really nice in touch.
Rubber?
Yeah, it's some sort of rubber, but I think it's a better quality. It's really nice in feel, but I still think this will the hand will sweat on it, probably. You can see that. So,
Really soft and flexible.
then we have a charger, which I don't really like immediately, because this is some custom charging port. And whenever you get something like this, it's either expensive to buy a backup, or it's very hard to get. So it's like 4 pins. Yeah, I never understand why they do that. And the other end is basically USB. Okay, so we have the bookies, which we can't probably even burn. Oh, actually, you could burn this. The middle, I mean. So this can be stretched. This one can't be stretched. Let's see. So now I am opening this one, the cover. Okay, that's looking very nice. Okay, so we have no idea how to work with it. Let's see. This cannot be moved. How do you start it? I will just press 4 buttons. Yeah, 4 buttons was the answer.
Or one of them.
Alright, yeah, one. Oh yeah. So, what does it says? Okay, so this is just starting. Applied ballistics. I think this is the first boot up, so it needs more time to set up everything. Or maybe it's done. Okay, so I suppose. Oh, and it works really nice. The touch screen is very responsive. Very good. I was wondering whether this is well responsive or not. Okay, let's set it up to English. Pair with phone. Sure. And download the Garmin Connector mobile. I think I already have it, because the anticipation was there, so all the applications are already being downloaded and accounts created. So what was the name? Garmin Connect? Was it Connect? I'm not sure. Let's see. Maybe it wasn't this one. Let's just search for it. Not Garmin. Yes. Okay, so it probably is that one. But then, how do you add the device? Okay, select your device, and this is browse all. What's the name? Tactix. Yes. Turn on Bluetooth. Allow. Right. Yeah, so on the watch we see the number to pair. 259400. Okay. Okay, it says that it's completed. So now the application is asking me about all the informations about me. So I will just add it. Okay, for now. Okay. Hello. Okay, this one I need to. Hello. Yes. So it's asking about about access to everything, this application. So probably this is for the notifications you are getting. So it's now syncing with the phone apparently. Yeah. Okay, skip, finish. Okay. Right, so it looks like this is done, or it should be. So let's see.
Try it.
Nice, and we know the time. You mean I should yeah.
Get on
Wrist, yes. So that's the first time I'm having a watch on my wrist. No, I had a watch on my wrist. This will be a new experience to have it in a daily manner. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I earned a badge. Okay, thank you. Not sure how to. Okay, dismiss. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Let's see. Maybe I should just rotate it a little. What do we have here? Weather. Yeah, this might take some time to go through it, but it looks nice, right?
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, so this is no. Those two are for scrolling. And the left and the bottom left are for scrolling down and up. This one not light, or maybe this is for activation. Oh yeah, there is name light, right? Down, up, or menu is the left. If I hold it, yeah, then it's menu. Then this one is start and stop, the top right. The bottom right is back or lap. So this is the main screen, so if I hold it, yeah, then probably you can have a menu of the active function, or you can select others. So there are some of it. Let's see, watch face. So okay, so you have built in a couple of watch faces that you can use immediately. I've seen that there is the whole store that you can select one, but eventually I think I would just create my own with the SDK they have. Oh, but this is pretty cool. So my pulse is I'm almost dead. Okay, I have 0 steps today, but that's right. Pretty interesting. Yeah, and my phone is automatically is getting this information automatically. Let's fix it. So my pulse is up at the top, and all other stuff as well. Okay, I think this is enough for this video, right? And when I will get some more insights into the watch, I will probably make another one with an overview of the functions and stuff like that. And my heart rate is going down. Oh no, now it's going up. 70. So video is ending, so I'm getting stressed. Yeah, thank you for watching.